Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. So, Monero, coming up, triggering the double, spiking up, getting stuck at the 25% retracement level is 179, just missing the stop reduction 181, then major collapse down. This candle triggered the stop out to close below the 62.5 retracement level. So that is all over. We're going to take off these. We're going to take off these. And the other bigger double we're talking about on the daily chart is also all done. So, no patterns sitting there right now. We have now the first cross rotation zone. And we have the other key support. We had primary support coming in over here before. You see here, so all this support becoming resistance, back to support. Now back to resistance. So key resistance coming in about 168 to 169.50. If we did pop through there, we'd be watching for a return to about the 173 area. This is acting very, very weak though. Can't get much traction. So I'm actually going to see what it does at 161.11 prior support. And if that breaks, we'll be watching for about 157. Then 154 to the downside. Let's check in on that ever important daily chart. Again, close just in the rotation zone and then spiking up and then massive sell-off again. So sellers keep coming in the rotation zone. That's why if you're trading against the rotation zone, it is aggressive and you have to move up your stops given the opportunity or take off profits at your key levels. Not looking strong at all in Monero, so it's sit on our hands and wait for something good to set up. Switching over to Ripple. Ripple coming up, stalling out at our 0.5021 level, coming back rotation zone, moving up, spiking through to 0.5070 level. So it'll spike up and then massive selling pressure coming in. So these levels are done. I could just move them up here for now. They would be valid on a strong rally. Right now, nothing much to talk about. Rotation zone again, first cross, so resistance 0.4859 to 0.4890 resistance area. If we do pop through there, we'd be watching for a return to the 0.4989 area. To the downside now, we can do a projection from this most recent swing high to the pausing swing low. Gives us 0.46839 and then 0.46355. If those break, then we're watching for the return to the 0.4541 low. And if that doesn't hold, then we can do some other projections based off this last run up. But let's take a look at that daily chart. Couldn't close in the rotation zone, selling pressure coming in again. And this is very key area on the daily chart where it just tested today. See, buying back on the 30th, stepping in there, the 1st of April, the 2nd of April, the 5th of April, the 6th of April, the 7th of April, and then today, the 9th of April. All this is whenever it dips in here, there's been strong buyers. So if this ever breaks, we will have a pretty rapid acceleration to the downside. Looks like we're in the process of forming a triple bottom, so I'm taking this massive double bottom target off. We can also use a reverse GAN box here to come down and see our intermediate levels. So you see what I did? I came up to the corrective swing high into the rotation zone, back to the major swing low here, gave us the reverse levels, 12.5 and 25. So if we do break below this 0.4541 level, then we'll be watching for 0.44159, then 0.4290. But again, still lots of weakness, so just sitting on our hands, no high probability patterns just yet setting up in Ripple. So we have for you on Monero and Ripple, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.